Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to make Yahoo your default search engine on the Microsoft Edge web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the Edge browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dot. And then next step ay scroll down at select mo lang dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy, search, and services. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then next, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung address bar and search. Under dito sa services, so scroll down ka lang. And then makikita mo dito yung address bar and search. Ito yung manage search suggestions and search engine used in the address bar. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then next step ay dito sa privacy, search, and services. And then kailangan mo lang select dito yung search engine used in the address bar. And then dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung Yahoo. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And ganun lang po kasimple. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na yung ating default search engine ay na-change na ito sa Yahoo. Ito siya. Right, so other settings naman na dito yung mga iba pang options kung gusto mong i-change mga kaibigan as a search engines. Okay, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to make Yahoo my default search engine in the Microsoft Edge. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.